6 Benefits of Hiring Professional Office Carpet Cleaning Services. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the benefits of hiring professional office carpet cleaning services. Maintaining cleanliness in your office space is essential for the health and well-being of your employees and clients. And when it comes to keeping your office carpets clean, hiring a professional service is the way to go. Here are 6 benefits of hiring professional office carpet cleaning services. 1. Improved air quality. Over time, carpets can accumulate dirt, dust, and allergens, which can contribute to poor indoor air quality. Professional carpet cleaning services use specialized equipment and techniques to remove these contaminants, resulting in improved air quality. 2. Enhanced appearance. Clean carpets can make a significant difference in the appearance of your office space. Professional cleaning services use powerful equipment and cleaning solutions to remove tough stains, leaving your carpets looking and smelling fresh. 3. Extended carpet life. Regular cleaning and maintenance can extend the life of your office carpets. Professional cleaning services can help to prevent wear and tear and keep your carpets looking like new for longer. 4. Saves time and money. Hiring a professional cleaning service can save you time and money in the long run. Professional cleaners have the experience, equipment, and knowledge to get the job done quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on your business operations. 5. Healthier work environment. As mentioned earlier, carpets can accumulate dirt, dust, and allergens, which can contribute to poor indoor air quality and lead to health issues for your employees. Professional carpet cleaning services can help to create a healthier work environment by removing these contaminants. 6. Increased productivity. A clean and healthy work environment can lead to increased productivity among employees. By hiring a professional carpet cleaning service, you are investing in the health and well-being of your employees, which can lead to increased motivation and productivity. Conclusion: hiring a professional office carpet cleaning service offers many benefits, including improved air quality, enhanced appearance, extended carpet life, saving time and money, a healthier work environment, and increased productivity. So if you're looking to maintain a clean and healthy office space, consider hiring a professional carpet cleaning service. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.